Now you can convert designer outfits to models using AI. To do that, go to Google Colab Focus. Then click this link and click Connect. Here, run this file and click Run Anyway. Once completed, click on this link, and it will take you to this page. To generate the models, check the Import Image checkbox, then go to the image prompt. Click here, then select the image for the costume that you want your model to wear. Now, click on the Advanced checkbox and change these two values to 0.85 and 0.98 to get a better output. After that, go here and describe how you want the model to be. Then click on this checkbox. Here, choose the number of images you want by dragging the slider, select the aspect ratio you want, and then choose the quality. Once you have done that, go to the Style tab and check Focus Masterpiece and Focus Photograph options, which will give us more realistic photos. Click Generate, and you will see that it has generated amazing models in 4 different styles. They also look very realistic, and you can select any one you like and then download it by clicking here. If you want to know more about AI tools and websites, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel.